Alright, hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Today I decided to do something a little bit different. Uh, I decided I'm going to, probably for these next 2 days, I'm gonna do a little bit of like, a little something different. So, what I'm gonna do for these 5 years, I'm gonna teach you guys it's gonna be bad teaching because it's all from a camcorder, but we're gonna do some math. So today I want to talk about a length of an arc. This is a theorem. So the theory is, well, we use a formula. So let's say you have a circle and you want to find, let's say, an arc. We'll call it S. The formula essentially, what this theorem states by is that you find an arc length. You could say you first times the r, which is essentially like the length of the radius or whatever, and then you times it by an alpha. Now what this alpha is radians. So according to this theorem, if you multiply this and this, you get an arc length. So let's do a simple problem. So let's say a problem says, so let's say you're given a diameter of 28 inches. And then let's say they give you an angle, we'll do theta, is equal to 30. So then they ask you, what's the length, or what's the arc length? So let's draw a circle, and let's say this is theta, that's 30, and let's say this entire diameter d is 28. So what do you do? So how do you use this formula to answer this? So first of all, we have to remember that we're trying to find the radians and the the radians here and the radius of the circle. So you can basically already find what r is just by this. So if you know that the diameter is 28 inches, that's just the radius is just half of that. So your r, man, this is so weird. I'll try to find something stable later on. It's gonna be 14 inches. Give me a second. Do a little bit. Sorry. So 14 inches. So that's your R. Sorry for the bad R. Now, how do you find this guy? So what you do is, with this 30 degrees, obviously this is not radians. You have to convert it. So in order to convert an angle to radians, you have to essentially multiply the degree times pi over 180. And what this will do is this will allow you to interchangeably go from radians to degree, and then from degree to angle. So with that being said, all you do is just multiply 30 degrees times pi over 180. This reduces, and you end up with a pi over 6 without doing all the math. To do like all the math, you can verify doing the math, but you would end up with pi over 6. So now essentially all you do is, you have the formula up there, you just multiply 14 inches times pi over 6, and you get 7.33 inches. And now, how did I get this? Well, you assume pi is 3.14, so you're essentially dividing 3.14 by 6, and then you times it by 14, and you get this. So that's your answer. So that's how you find the length of an arc. Hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll move on to the next part.